Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Authenticator for two-factor authentication setup, quick tutorial step-by-step clearly. To begin, locate the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. If you have not installed the app yet, open your device's App Store. Search for Google Authenticator and tap on the Install button. Once the installation is complete, open the Google Authenticator app. On the main screen, you will see an option to get started. Tap on Get Started to proceed. Next, you will be asked to either scan a QR code or enter a setup key. To set up your two-factor authentication, go to the website of the account you want to secure. Log into your account with your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the security settings of your account. Look for the option labeled Two-Factor Authentication or Two-Step Verification. You will now see a QR code or a setup key provided by the website. If a QR code is displayed, tap on Scan a QR code in the Google Authenticator app. Point your device's camera at the QR code until it recognizes it. If you prefer using a setup key, tap on Enter a setup key in the app. Type the key provided by the website along with an optional description. Once the QR code is scanned or the setup key is entered, your account will be added to Google Authenticator. You will now see a 6-digit code generated for your account. Return to the website where you initiated the two-factor authentication setup. Enter the 6-digit code displayed in the Google Authenticator app. Click on Verify or the equivalent button on the website. If the code is correct, your two-factor authentication will be successfully activated. You can now use Google Authenticator to generate codes for logging into your account in the future. Remember to keep your Google Authenticator app secure and backed up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.